YouTube, Doc's Motorcycle Service. Rawr, 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 rawr. Welcome back to the garage. You know, I always wonder about where Linda goes. Linda's got ninja skills. I don't know where that girl went. Let's see if we can snap her in again. There she is.
Here I am.
YouTube, we just wanted to take a moment and wish you guys a Merry Christmas. If you watch my videos enough that you know we're Christian based here, and sometimes we say some little words that we don't like to say, but it's Christmas Day and we just wanted to wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas from Doc's Motorcycle Garage and from Linda.
Merry Christmas.
I hope you're enjoying your Christmas day. I hope you got everything that you wanted, but most importantly, I hope that you got family, faith, and good times. So enjoy your day and remember that Christ is the reason for Merry Christmas. So from me and Linda, we would like to say Merry Christmas. All right, YouTube, you guys handle your business, ride safe, and save some money. You wanna cut us out, Linda? You wanna snap us out?
I'll snap us out.
Ready?